My name is Ronaldo Nombagose. I'm going to talk about the woman who needs no introduction, who is our national treasure here in South Africa, who's going to be representing us at Miss Universe 2019. Any clue? Any ideas? It's none other than Zozibini Tunzi, Utolo Kwakudla Ngamandla Umcenge. She's doing something very good. So to give you about her bio and everything that she's doing, you're going to see the pictures on my right-hand side. It's going to be left-hand side, I don't know. But you're going to see her pictures on my right-hand side, all things about Zozibini Tunzi on Insta and the charity work that she's been doing ever since she was crowned Miss South Africa on the 9th of August 2019. So Zozibini Tunzi was born on the 18th of September 1993. She's a South African beauty title holder, was crowned Miss South Africa on the 9th of August 2019 at Sun Arena in Pretoria in Gauteng province. The host obviously was Queen Bee herself, Bonang Matheba, who doesn't need an introduction as well. She'll now represent South Africa at Miss Universe competition in Georgia, Atlanta on the 8th of December 2019 in United States of America. So Zozibini Tunzi was born and raised in Solo in Eastern Cape in a small village called Estuatweni. Tunzi later moved on to Cape Town. She was living in Gardens, which is like 5 or 3 kilometers away from where I live. She graduated in 2018 in National Diploma in Public Relations Management, and she was currently doing her Bachelor of Technology in Public Relations and Management. So she was working as a graduate intern at one of the public relations company, which is called Ogilvy in Cape Town. In terms of pageants, Zozibini Tunzi entered for Miss South Africa in 2017 when she was accepted at one of the 27 semi-finalists. And she entered and then she did not make it for finals. That's the year when Demili won and then she brought the crown, obviously, at the United States of America. But it was a blessing in disguise for Zozibini Tunzi for not winning. She came back natural. On that year in 2017, she had weaves and everything. Not that I have anything against weaves. She was a standout this year because she was like natural. It was like a different look for Zozibini Tunzi and everyone was like jaw-dropping. Is this Zozibini Tunzi, the one we know from Estuatweni? She was definitely killing it. So Zozibini Tunzi was selected to continue as one of the top 35 semi-finalists after being confirmed on the 26th of June. After the further auditions, Tunzi was announced as one of the 26 semi-finalists on the 11th of July. That's where Bonang Matheba was hosting that event. And then after being selected as one of the finalists, Zozibini Tunzi went on to compete at Miss South Africa competition in Pretoria on the 9th of August. She progressed through the stages until the final stages. So one of the questions that Zozibini Tunzi was asked by one of the media personalities here in South Africa, Anele Mdoda, she was asking, what is it that women make them smile? And then Zozibini Tunzi went on. She was like, there's nothing to smile about. I'm going to show you the video that I'm talking about, like on my right-hand side. She was like, there's nothing to smile about because women are being killed each and every day. It's time now, women, to stand up and fight it's time now, the perpetrators, to stand up and say no is in no. So the reason why I think her national costume, she wants to include the messages that are coming from men, is the fact that we as men have been accused in so many instances, and of which some of the accusations have been true. A lot of women here in South Africa have been dying. Some of them, they've been killed and they've been torched. I don't want to mention any names, but a lot of women in South Africa in 2018 and 2019 respectively have died. So you can support Zozibini Tunzi on her UN campaign, He for She campaign, which she launched on Insta. One of the videos that I was talking about is where I think she was wearing like a black coat. That's what she was talking about, Instagram but Zozibini Tunzi is definitely someone who I think is gonna kill it at Miss Universe. So additionally, Zozibini Tunzi will present obviously South Africa at Miss Universe competition on the 8th of December. And South Africa is becoming a powerhouse in terms of pageants. We can't run away from that. Like in 2012, we placed the top 10 with Melinda Baum. And then in 2015, or 2015, that's when Refilwe Mutimoni was placed top 15. And then in 2017, we won Miss Universe. And then in 2018, Tamarin Green was a runner-up to Catriona Gray. And then in 2019, obviously, we're going to place in the top 10. Like, in terms of semi, I know we're gonna place it. So that's basically what Zozibini Tunzi has been doing. She's been doing like a lot of charity work. She's been like after she won Miss Universe, Miss South Africa, she went on to United States of America to represent one of the brands here in South Africa, the Pride with, which is, the designer is like Laduma Ngokolo, and then she went there and Demi Lee was there as well, and then she's an ambassador for Sunmet 2020 with Bonang Mateba. So there's been like a lot of things that Zozibini Tunzi has been doing, and on one of her headshots for Miss Universe on the page, she's wearing like a green dress with like a duke. We call it in Xhosa iqhiya. And definitely our Xhosa Eastern Cape are definitely supporting this girl. In fact, South Africa, I don't want to like specify certain names. Like South Africa is definitely supporting Zozibini Tunzi, and we know she's gonna place like high. And one of the girls that I'm supporting in terms of Africa and Asia region, I am supporting Philippines, I'm supporting Sierra Leone, and I'm supporting Tanzania. But obviously, Zozibini Tunzi is like my first priority for Miss Universe 2019. So what do you think, guys, about Zozibini Tunzi? Do you think she's gonna place in the top 5 or even win Miss Universe and become one of the black women who have won Miss Universe after Leila Lopez? I don't know. Bye.